Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your BMW credit card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your BMW credit card account, open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar type in BMW credit card login like this and hit enter, or simply search for my BMW credit card.com like this and hit enter, and you can see the same web address is over here on the first result of Google. Click over there, and after landing on this page, you can see the login button available over here at the top right corner of the screen. But let's go to the home page of the BMW, and you can see this is also the BMW's credit cards home page. Now since both of these websites are same, just close one of these. And now to log into your BMW credit cards account, you can see the login option available over here on the top right. Click over there, and let's let the page load first. And you can see the personal ID number over here. Click on there and enter your personal ID number and simply tap on continue, and on the next page you'll be required to enter your password. Tap your password and you will be logged into your BMW credit cards account. Or if you have forgotten your personal UID, simply click on forgot your personal UID to reset it. And there guys, this is how you log into your BMW credit cards account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.